Viva Edit is happening at Akutubhai, where in collection you will find some beautiful collection of jewelry. If you want something in handmade, then we have that too. Some beautiful kurta sets, 2-piece, 3-piece sets, something in tissue. Bedding options are available. Saris with applique work, drapes, party wear saris are also available, and we have got beautiful range of blouses, potlies, clutches.
So do visit Akuto Bhayaya Gallery, shop number 5, 21, 22 and 23 November. Timing is 10:30 to 8:30.
Kundanમાં long neck piece શોધી રહ્યા હો something unique this season, then do come here. Look at this neck pieces. If you want something in monzonite, તો એમાં બી તમને options મળી જશે. Look at that. And if you are looking for something in Kashmiri, again we have very beautiful earrings of Kashmiri style. Next we do have this kind of Indo-Westerns as well. These colors are very trendy and very in this season. So if you want something in kaftan style or something in sharara style, again we do have very beautiful collection. If you want something in whites or something in two tones, mal chanderi, તો એમાં બી તમને options અહીં મળી જવાના છે. If you want something in this kind of heavy hand work, તો એમાં બી options available છે. Look at this pieces, something with this kind of applique work. And if you want something in pastel tone, again this kind of sharara, something in purple again, so એનામાં બી તમને અહીંયા બહુ જ સુંદર options મળવાના છે. We have got 50 plus designs and colors in bottom wear. If you want something in linen, then again we have at flat prices of 500 and 600. If you want something in printed shirts, then again we have flat 500 of this shirts. And if you want something in quad set, again we have got the beautiful collection. And તમારે કંઈક પોટલીઝમાં જોઈએ છે, ક્લચેસમાં જોઈએ છે, મોબાઈલ કવરમાં જોઈએ છે for this wedding season, then we have beautiful range available here. Now we have some beautiful kurta sets, 3-piece suits, something with mirror work, something in mal chanderi if you want, something with this kind of work, something with kalamkari dupatta if you want, and we have got something in this as well, angrakha style, some hand work, some thread work, and so much more. So if you want something in 3-piece suits along with this kind of heavy work on it, and the starting range is just 1500, you can see the different styles and designs are available with different kind of dupatta. If you want something with the contrast dupatta, something in tissue dupatta, and look at the color options available here. We have got more variety available, something with mirror work if you want, thread work, and this kind of more work. And then we do have mukwa seeds. If you want something roasted chana, indi, amla, we have got wide range of seeds available here as well. And if you want something in all of white collection, તો તમને dupatta, blouse, skirt, tops, something in anarkali, something in cord set, બધું જ તમને મળી જવાનું છે. Look at this. If you want something in bandhani, that too on silk, તો એમાં બી options તમને મળી જવાના છે. Very amazing pieces, you can see. And then we do have this kind of handmade jewelries. If you want something for your haldi, mehendi parties, look at this. Very beautiful collection, very lightweight. And these are again a very beautiful piece. Something in Kashmiri collection, we have that. And now we have this kind of kurta sets as well. If you want in pastel tones, something like this. And we have got options in bedding as well. अगर comforterમાં કંઈક જોતું હોય તમારે કોટનની અંદર, જૂટ કોટનની અંદર, મલ કોટનની અંદર, we have got everything you want with the different prints, you can see. So yes, wide range for the bedding. If you want something like this, very beautiful pillow and sets. Moving to another brand, જેમની પાસે તમને અજરકમાં collection મળી જવાનું છે. Either you want something as a party wear, you can see the shades, and look at the sari, something in fusion with ajrak. Very beautiful.
We have many color options in the gowns as well.
Yes, like this. Something in tissue saris and tissue dresses if you want. So got different variety as well. Yes.
हाँ, ये चले फ्री आता है, फ्री आएगा आपको होगा। हाँ फ्री साइज का है।
So if you want something in blouses with heavy handwork, look at this, something with the lotus, the most trending blouse right now. We have got options in Indo-Westerns and drapes, ready-to-wear sarees as well. Look at this. Different color options are available. We have got dupattas as well and wide range of blouses. Moving to another brand, जिनके पास आपको sarees में बहुत ही सुंदर collection मिलने वाला है. Look at this. So different borders, different color, different designs are available. So beautiful. And we have got routine wear as well along with sarees. Something if you want with the applique work, we have sarees with the applique work like this for your puja and parties. Something in kota doriya as well. अगर तुम्हारे कुछ हेतु है तो. And then we come to the anti-tarnish collection of jewelry. Look at the kada and the different styles available here. If you want something in bracelets, we have got covered you, and some very statement rings. If you want some gifting options, then we have got this kind of chain pendant set, and these are some beautiful statement earrings if you want. And these are micro malas and chains available here. You want this kind of watch style कड़ा तो वो भी आपको मिल जाएंगे. एंड इफ यू वांट दिस काइंड ऑफ ट्रेडिशनल कड़ा तो उसके भी ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल हैं. मूविंग टू अनदर ब्रांड, जिनके पास आपको ड्यूअल टोन में अगर कुछ चाहिए तो उसमें ऑप्शंस मिल जाएंगे. दे हैव गॉट दिस काइंड ऑफ पर्स एज वेल एंड अ ब्यूटीफुल कलेक्शन ऑफ कश्मीरी ज्वेलरी, समथिंग विद दिस काइंड ऑफ ईयर cuffs. They have got bridal collection as well if you want very beautiful collection. And in sarees we have got exclusive collection of Kolkata sarees. You can see તમને એમાં બી બહુ બધી રેન્જ મળી જવાની છે. Something with this kind of work, and look at the beautiful colors available. We have got so much into the sarees. And if you are looking for blouses, again we have got almost every color in the range of blouse. You can say this kind of blouses. And if you are looking for some jewelry pieces, then we have got this kind of very beautiful neck pieces, something very beautiful in chokers as well. And if you want something like this for reception, for parties, cocktail parties, we have got beautiful collection.